Hi, I'm Ryan Cruz with Florida Specialty Roofing. We're a premium and specialty roofing contractor servicing the state of Florida. We bring high-end roofing products to residential, commercial, and multifamily products coast to coast. And you can find more about us at flsroof.com or on Instagram or Facebook at Florida Specialty Roofing. Florida Specialty Roofing was started as a desire to fill the gap in the Florida market that we felt was needed. Whereas a lot of customers and clients were looking for a high-end roofing solution, especially within the composite space. So we brought our team together of myself, Cody Bates, Gustavo Musa, and our highly skilled laborers and project managers to bring Florida Specialty coast to coast to deliver these premium roof services for all our customers. Something that's important to me and part of why we started Florida Specialty Roofing is to build a sustainable, premium, world-class company. Ever since being little, I've always envisioned being an entrepreneur or more so a small business owner that can actually build a company that has great employees, great culture, and then deliver great products to its customers. And that's part of what drives us along and drives me along for the company. Here at Florida Specialty Roofing, we're most proud of projects that generally fit in three categories. One, we're resolving or solving the problem of maintenance, damage, breakage that occurred with traditional concrete tile with a composite product, specifically Brava Spanish tile. Also for full HOAs and associations. And the third being those higher end residential projects where the Brava products come in and give a great finishing touch, premium look, and high quality aesthetics. What separates us out when we're working with large HOAs and multifamily projects is that we're primarily going in pitching a Brava Spanish tile as a traditional concrete replacement. Most contractors are unfamiliar, so we're able to come in, be experts with the product, and offer them a great premium performing product that's going to last a lifetime. We choose Brava roof tiles over other composites here in Florida, primarily because they're a great and best alternative to the traditional tiles that you see on the Florida roofs. We have a strong belief in synthetic tiles being the future here in Florida, mainly because the traditional materials just quite aren't holding up. Either they're fading, cracking, breaking, slipping, falling off during hurricanes, and with the synthetic tiles, you're resolving all those issues. In a sea of concrete and clay tiles, Brava Spanish tile comes in to not only achieve the look that homeowners are looking for, but also a greater performance than they've ever had in the traditional materials.